Welcome back to High Country Precision's 2019 Mile High Shootout, presented by match title sponsor XLR and season title sponsor Nikon. We're in Craig, Colorado for day 2 of the competition. Jake Vibber is in the lead going into day 2, but it's anyone's game with only a few points separating the top. Today, competitors will be making their way to a new portion of the range for the remaining stages. Who will be able to earn more points today and take first place? You'll find out on day 2 of the 2019 Mile High Shootout. Stage Echo. Don't miss, it will suck. With maximum points of 8 and an unlimited round count, competitor will take to any of the 4 designated positions and engage the score target with 2 rounds for 2 impacts. If at any time the competitor misses the scored target, the competitor must stand up and impact the penalty target from the standing position and then return to the position of the missed shot. Competitor will continue this until they have successfully made 2 impacts on the scoring target. Only impacts on the scoring target will count for points. At any time, the competitor may abandon a position and advance to a new position, but they will forfeit any impacts not gained from that position, and they cannot return to that position. The competitor may not forfeit a position after a miss without successfully impacting the penalty target.
Engage. All day now. Oh, Rob. Saving my life. 3-0. Impact! 10. Send it! Let's do it! Come on, Arvind!
Alright, I'm Arvind Thube. I'm from Sacramento, California. And for this stage, I just use a game changer. And it was pretty stable with the XLR rifle and one game changer. So I didn't try to finish all of the rounds, but 6 rounds, 6 hits. I'm happy.
Engage.
Rob. Thanks. Do we have a mulligan? Impact! Impact! Guys, can we help with brass? Anyone who's not shooting cosplay? because they get consumed in the grass. What, you guys don't get 4-H kids? Yeah, you're the Quigley 4-H kid.
Impact!
How many did he get off?
Impact!
While they're looking back, do you have any questions?
Impact! Impact!
35 seconds, Brian. 3-5. Lots of time. There you go.
Hi, I'm Walen. I'm from West Cliff, Colorado. We're out here at the Mile High Shootout. This place is epic. The wind here is not so bad. Having a good time. Actually, the wind's not really bad at all. It's just a little tricky at times, depending on which way you're shooting. But having a ton of fun. Awesome crowd. Awesome match director. NRL rocks. So having fun. Just shot this stage over here. It was a lot of fun. I'm not a very fast shooter, but I managed to get all my rounds off and get my hit, so I managed to clean it. So.
Stage Delta, Logjam. With a round count of 10, competitor will approach any of the 5 designated positions and engage targets far to near with 1 round each, hit or miss. Competitor will repeat this until all 5 designated positions are completed. Competitor may shoot the 5 positions in any order.
Off to the right. Impact!
There you go.
Impact!
Nice. Go, Blake. Now you got your holds. Is that off to the left or right?
Couldn't tell on that one. Actually, you might have looked low.
Yeah.
Impact! Impact!
There you go.
Blake, you're at 39 seconds.
Off to the right.
Five.
Time?
Nope. No. Now it's time.
All right, hold on. Stay right there for me. Sit down here.
Sorry, Blake, I was trying to call.
My name's Blake Hill. I'm from here in Craig, Colorado, and I really like the match. It went really well.
Stand by, engage. Sign!
I'm Zack Carter, Cedar City, Utah. Stage went pretty well. I had a couple mag problems, but we was able to work through them. Didn't get my last shot off, but overall it went pretty good. Just get them mag issues figured out.
All right, guys, and finishing off our top three, Sheldon. Sheldon, congratulations, sir.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Tremendous finish, and from what I understand, this is your first national podium.
Yeah, I was very excited to see. I was up on the standings that way. I wasn't expecting it, just wanted to come here, have a good time, and shoot a good match, and it certainly was that. So I was glad to finish well.
That's terrific. So this being our first time seeing you at a national level match on the podium, Was there any kind of pressure, or did you just kind of keep your cool and do your own thing? I mean, what was going through your head? Because I know myself, I'd be butterflies and all kinds of adrenaline.
Yeah. I mean, I've had that a lot at matches before, and I came here with no expectations, just wanting to shoot and have fun and come with a friend, and I think that helped, just not having pressure to do anything. And so I was lucky to have some good wind and shoot well, and so I was happy.
All right, so what would you tell the viewers was your favorite and least favorite stage?
Oh, my favorite stage, I think, was the log stage. Just 2 targets. It was complicated shooting order, some challenging positions, and you had to move, so that was really interesting.
Yeah, the 5 different positions off the yellow.
Off the yellow.
Yep, okay.
Off the yellow log, and real challenging to fit in there with the way the angle of the log was.
Yep, that was definitely designed for a left-handed shooter.
Yes.
So.
Favoring Jake, I see.
It did favor Jake.
But I think my least favorite stage, and I think what was a really good stage, was the blind stage, the shoot house.
Yes.
It was my least because I did bad at it, but I like those kind of creative things where you've got something different at a match that keeps shooters thinking, and so I enjoyed that.
Those blind stages, people either love them or hate them. We know where you stand on the podium.
Well, thank you, I appreciate it.
So congratulations, sir. We look forward to seeing you at future matches and future podiums.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you
for all you guys do.
Absolutely, sir.
Thanks.
All right, guys, and taking second place with a very impressive finish, Zach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Travis.
So, if I'm not mistaken, this is your first time on the podium in an NRL match, is that correct?
That's correct.
How does it feel?
Awesome. All that time and work finally starting to pay off.
There you go.
Oh.
You had a very impressive match. You have a ton of very high-end competitors here this weekend. What was your thought process going into day 2?
Keep calm. Just shoot like I did on day 1. Keep calm. And don't worry about the score. Just worry about making impacts, honestly.
Nice. So what would you what would you say to any of our new viewers out there thinking about getting into the sport from your personal experiences?
It's addicting, and it's awesome.
This is true.
Takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it definitely pays off in the end. So.
Awesome. Well, hopefully we see you at more podiums.
Hopefully. That's the plan.
That's the plan, right? Always the plan. And congratulations again, sir.
Thanks, Travis.
Look forward to seeing you at the next match.
Thanks.
Hey guys, we are here in Craig, Colorado at the HCP Mile High Shootout.
That's right.
See how I did that?
I love it.
And we are here for the 3rd annual time with Jake Vibert taking it all 3 times.
Yep.
Congratulations, Jake.
Thank you, appreciate that.
3-peat. How does it feel?
I really like this match. It's a super tough course of fire. One of the things I really like about it is both, Robert Quigley and Jeff Oder, they just put a lot of work into it. And it shows when the shooters are shooting it. It shows they've thought out all the stages. The wind's super tough as always. Just really like shooting here.
Awesome. So we shot in 2 different locations today. Day 1, it was a very open, very beautiful terrain.
Yep.
Day 2, stages were a lot closer together, a lot more positional. What did you like best about the match?
Honestly, I like the whole course of fire. Yesterday on Saturday, it seemed like we shot a little bit more positional stuff. That's probably my strong suit. So all the different barricades that we had and tank traps, tires and rocks, all that kind of stuff. It just, for me, I like it, I enjoy it, and I typically shoot well doing it.
Awesome. So what's next?
So we got, a few more matches on the calendar. I got the Rock Lake match, which is coming up end of August, 1st of September. That's in my backyard. So we're going to go ahead and see what happens.
Terrific. We'll look forward to seeing you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. This concludes High Country Precision's 2019 Mile High Shootout, presented by match title sponsor XLR and season title sponsor Nikon. Congratulations to Jake Vibert, Zack Carter, and Sheldon Nellos for finishing top 3 of the match. The points race leaderboard is tracking to find out who will be the 2019 NRL season champion. The NRL would like to thank the match directors, ROs, sponsors, competitors, and everyone else who helped make this match possible. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on all NRL news and content. As always, stay safe, keep shooting, and we'll see you all next time.